May presentation si Barok, present yung kanyang documenting sa SIRA and sa Medlasi system. Ito yung arrow down, nakikita ba? Okay. Dito.
Zoom ako na.
Hindi, ako na. Good morning. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First and foremost, I would like to take this opportunity to formally launch my project. I am indebted to no less than Father Jun Mercado and the late Vice Mayor Alexander Tomawis, because without them, I will not be able to join this program by the United State Department. So I'll be furnishing all the members of the Executive Council a copy of my action plan for your immediate reference. Okay. Actually, I should have been presenting this even way back in November, but because of what transpired last month, I was not able to make the necessary presentation. But nevertheless, I'm taking this opportunity for this meeting sponsored by the Institute for Autonomy and Governance and the Iran Development Council. And also, I would like to personally thank the Executive Director of IDC and the other members, the Chairman, Mayor Ibrahim Ibay, the Vice Chairman, Mayor Fatima Ruth Tomawis, the other members, yung lola namin, the Mayor of Barira, Haja Rukaya Dagalangit Tomawis, Mayor Marshal of Datublas in Suwat. Although the Mayor of Matanog is not around, but I understand he will be coming later. And also Assemblyman Kahar Ibay, Board Member Bukari Dagalangit, Vice Mayor Amir Salam, Sultan Amir Salam Dagalangit, and Vice Mayor Abulais Manalaw, and the rest of the members of Executive Council. When I was in Northern Illinois University during the 3-week training, I was able to come up with a certain project, which is actually very important to the Iranon tribe, especially also for the Iran Development Council. This project actually is in parallel with the project of the late Mayor Alexander Tomawis. Even before he tasked me to do this project, but because of other priorities, I was not able to make this. But when I went to Northern Illinois University, I was able to come up, formulate this kind of project. And I believe that the Iran Development Council and the IAG, together with the local governments of the Iran Development, comprising the Iran Development Council, will be able to push through this project. In between slides are pictures of our trip in the United States of America. Okay, historical background. Actually, although the composition of the coverage of the project is intended for Barira, but I intend to expand this throughout the areas comprising the Iran Development Council. So, kung nakikita nyo dito, you will see that the Barira is actually the project site. But apparently, I will be expanding this to other areas in the Iran Development Council. Some of the facts are actually coming from the files of Mayor Alexander Tomawis. Okay, Campo Boubacar Complex. This used to be this is comprised by the Barira, Bultuna, and Matanog. So, nandyan yan sa slides sa binigay ko na kopya na slides. Okay. Barira known to be an Iranon community. So, apparently, if you try to look at the slide, around surrounding Barira is actually these are the parameters that we will be trying to consider in terms of how to bring progress and development in the area. We have the problem on poverty, the problem on money politics, the problem on RIDO, and the problem on genealogy. Yung project ko, dito tayo mag-concentrate sa genealogy and RIDO because pag nagkaroon tayo ng
genealogy, nasaan sila?
Project nito, mawawala yung ano. I've been trying to emphasize.
Bakit makakamag-anak eh? Kaya makakaway.
Yes. Actually, I've been trying to emphasize about money politics even before in our discussion. Because ang pinaka ginawa kong role model dito si Mayor Tumawis eh. When I was in the United States, I was telling them that Mayor Tumawis was able to what we call this, develop Barira. But in spite of developing Barira, he still has to shell out money during election. Maybe because hindi naintindihan ng tao na yung ginagawa ni Mayor Alex hindi lang para dun para sa sarili niya or para sa bahay niya, but para sa maraming tao. Now, kung ma-establish natin yung genealogy, mawawala yung RIDO, mawawala yung money politics, then we will also eradicate poverty. Yung slide ko, si Mayor ang nagturo niya. Okay, community assessment. Yeah. Okay, community assessment. Ito yung nakikita ko na ano natin eh. Kailangan natin gawin sa lugar natin. These are the things that we should do. We have to establish peace and order. Kasi walang instability of peace and there is instability of peace and order. So we need to have a stable peace and order condition. Then the development. Kung nakikita nyo, magkaiba yung araw. Dito papunta yung peace and order and development, but in one way or the other, gusto natin maging parallel yung takbo ng peace and order at saka development. Itong picture na to during our welcome party by ito yung Consul General ng
Sultan sa gitna.
Oo, yun yung sa gitna. Okay, problems
May sultan ng Iranon?
Hindi. Okay, problems affecting growth. Kung nakikita nyo, dalawa yung problema eh, lack of knowledge on genealogy and RIDO. So, ito yung kung sa SISO pa, yan yung nagbabalance dun sa problema natin. But kung magawa natin ang solusyon nito, mawawala lahat yan. Okay.
Hindi mo pinapakita.
Okay, legal framework. Ito yung naging basis ng project ko. Yung Republic Act number 9285, which is an act to institutionalize the use of alternative dispute resolution system in the Philippines and to establish the Office for Alternative Dispute Resolution and for other purposes. Then another one is Republic Act number 9054, this is the Organic Act for Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao. In fact, I understand that the distinguished member of the RLA knows about this, that the RLA is tasked actually to document the traditional or the customary law of other major tribes in the autonomous region in Muslim Mindanao. Okay, purpose of the project. These are the three actually main purposes of the project: promote alternative dispute resolution through Iranon traditional justice system, documentation of alternative dispute resolution through ITJS and SASILA, and social awareness and issue genealogy. Actually, this has been done in Barira and Buldun. We have the Ulama Peace and Order Council. The joint Ulama Peace and Order Council. And I intend to tap the support of the Ulama Peace and Order in terms of documenting the customary law. Okay. Project description: advocacy for peace, alternative dispute resolution, the social awareness. Very important yung, very significant yung social awareness on genealogy. Kasi marami sa atin ngayon. In fact, I always admire the tenacity of the brain of Mayor Alex Tumawis, because whenever we meet people, he would always tell me na, yan, ano yan, kaano mo yan, ganito mo yan. At his young age, alam niya yung, kung ano yung relationship, even in Buldun, in Barira, and sometimes in my tender age, at this young age, mahirapan ako malaman kung sino yung mga relative ko, yung mga immediate relatives. But kung magawa natin ito, kito ko ang tanong lang ko nito na kakasiba pa, mataw sa sila. So, we can also tap his expertise regarding this. Doon tayo magsisimula sa taas dahil marami na sa baba eh. So, we will start from the top, going down. Okay.
Yung pinapakita.
Alright. The picture, okay. Ito, tinreat kami ni Dr. Sue Russell sa,
Okay.
I think that's Sunday.
Saan ka dyan?
Nasa gitna pa.
Here. This is Dr. Sue Russell.
Oh.
Dr. Sue Russell actually is the co-project director of the Philippine Minorities Program. Ang kasama niya dito is si Dr. Lina Ong, Dr. Lina Davidi Ong, which is the sister of the former Chief Justice Hilario Davidi. Okay, initial cost of project proposal, community organizing and information about 5,000, the documentation 5,000 or 10,000. I'm presenting to you the project because incidentally or later on, I will be asking support from the local governments in terms of realizing this project. So, hindi naman siguro malaki. Ang malaki lang nito ngayon, ang madugo lang dito, doon sa printing na, which is the IAG na ngayon ang tutulong sa akin. Diba, Mats?
I think ibigay sa inyo, di ba?
Yeah, they will. Kasi ikaw naman yung executive director ng ano eh. Right. Actually, itong si Simi Chaudhry, isa yan siya sa speakers namin. And she's very young, I think she's only 21. Pero napakagaling. As in, ang galing. Aktivista na ano yan. Ano siya, parang Pakistani-American.
Pakistani-American.
But I'm telling you, she's very good. At her young age, I think she's only 21. Pero napakagaling.
Bisitahin natin sa Pilipinas, okay.
I think she's coming in January. Sa follow-on activity namin. Okay, partners in the implementation of the project. Nakita niyo naman, nilagay ko na yung ano. Yung Datubla, ang nakuha ko kasi yung yung old logo. So papalitan ko yan, otherwise walang share ang Datubla.
Meron naman.
Hindi lang yan nakuha.
Pero wala
Hindi ko na
Kasama na yung
So this is actually the composition of the yung gagawa ng project. Ako, then we have the IDC, the Ulama Peace and Order Council of every municipality. Di ba siya meron din kayong Jumpo sa Matanog?
Tumanod. Meron kami Tumanod
okay. So Tumanod in Matanog. Later on, I will be formally sending letters to the Tumanod and the Jumpo as well as the Sangguniang Bayan for this presentation.
Sa kanya, Council of Elders.
Ano yung sales sa parang?
Community Affairs.
Community Affairs? Alright.
Wow!
Kumain kami ng ano yan, ng nagano kami. Nag-apple picking kami, nag-apple picking. Oh. Right. SWOT analysis. Ito yung strength, link with LGU. Of course, I work with the LGU and I work with ITC and partner natin yung IAG, so hindi mahirap na magawa itong project. Barira Youth Council, I intend to reactivate this. Membro ka naman dati, di ba? So, we will be reactivating the Barira Youth Council. But I intend to expand the membership, not only with the Barira, maybe we can change the name. For, parang maging natin siya, Youth Organization for Irano Development Council. Okay, weaknesses, timetable of the project. Medyo mahaba, so mahirapan ako na magawa agad within this month. Kasi next month, meron na kami follow-on activity. Budgetary requirements and willingness of the other parties. Opportunities, IAG and IDC. Threats, legality and enforceability, sensitive records. Siguro hindi ma-question yung authenticity kung paano sinulat yung sa sila. Okay, itong picture, ano to?